My name is Rohan Naggi. I came to VMware as part of VeloCloud acquisition. And my contribution to the VeloCloud team is as a TME, Technical Marketing Engineering. And as the name suggests, I provide customer support, pre-sale supports, partner enablement. I go to many tech conferences and do speaking sessions, giving new ideas, innovative ideas to the product team. Two things which I want to highlight about VMware is that VMware has been rated as the top employer. The second thing, even the VMware CEO, Pat Gelsinger, has been rated as the best CEO by us, by the employees of the VMware. And what I personally like about VMware, two things. One is the work culture. Love to interact with the smart people, their passion. I see that positive energy in them, and that's what I like it. And that's what I take it to my training session when I'm doing trainings at partners or I'm in front of customer. And the second thing, VMware contribution to the local community, to different tech user groups or different communities. And this VMware culture, I have taken it personally also. I like to interact with people. So what I have done is to commute every day at work. I have cut down my commute. And now I've sold my car and I bought a motorbike. So my commute has been cut down from 2 hours to 45 minutes. I'll share that picture with my motorbike so that I can come to work every day, interact with these smart and get the passion from these people. Second, I have also started contributing to the local communities, to these tech communities. I'm part of many of the VMware user groups. I'm a vExpert. At the same time, to my neighborhood communities, I have started working during the weekends. I prepare what we call at Indian chai. I make it for different volunteers and audience. There was time when I was making 100 to 200 cups during the weekend. So that's my new gigs. When I'm not with the IT industry, you will find me having my own food truck with chai and other Indian snacks. One thing I want to bring out here is that VMware gave me a platform to launch the SD-WAN book, one of its kind, first of its kind SD-WAN book. And at the same time, I'm also running a VMware SD-WAN podcast. At this VMworld, I'm doing multiple sessions. I'm part of VMware SD-WAN Hands-on Lab 2039-2040. There is a new infrastructure lab for SD-WAN which will be launched during this VMworld. I'm also doing a SD-WAN book session. And at the same time, I'm doing a joint session on SD-WAN for easy adoption, or what are the common questions to be asked for the SD-WAN adoption. So I invite you for the VMworld 2019. Thank you.